Hello, and welcome to Origin Project, the ultimate destination for wealth building and personal success. Today, we're diving deep into the world of millionaires in 2023. We'll unveil the 5 major skills that have propelled countless individuals to achieve remarkable success and financial abundance in the modern age. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of millionaire status, stay tuned because we're about to unveil the roadmap to wealth. First up, we have the cornerstone of millionaire success, financial literacy. It's no secret that understanding money is crucial. Millionaires in 2023 have mastered this skill, making informed decisions about their finances and investments. They know how to budget, save, and invest wisely. Financial literacy includes understanding 1. Budgeting. Millionaires maintain a budget that tracks income and expenses. They know where every dollar goes, enabling them to make more efficient financial decisions. 2. Investing. Successful millionaires know how to grow their money through investments, such as stocks, real estate, and businesses. They have a diversified portfolio that mitigates risk. 3. Debt management. They are also skilled in managing and reducing debt, ensuring that interest payments don't eat into their wealth. 4. Tax strategies. They employ effective tax strategies to minimize their tax liabilities legally. Our second skill is entrepreneurship. In 2023, millionaires are often not just employees, they're entrepreneurs. They take calculated risks to create their own wealth through business ventures. The ability to identify opportunities, innovate, and execute is what sets them apart. Key elements of entrepreneurship include 1. Ideation. Millionaires are adept at recognizing market gaps and developing innovative solutions to address them. 2. Risk management. They embrace risk but do so wisely, ensuring they have contingency plans and are prepared for any potential challenges. 3. Execution. They understand that ideas alone won't create wealth. They have the drive and discipline to execute their plans successfully. 4. Adaptability. Millionaires are flexible and open to change, adjusting their strategies as the business landscape evolves. Our third major skill for millionaire success in 2023 is networking. It's not just about what you know, but also who you know. Millionaires have honed their networking skills to build valuable connections and partnerships. Networking involves 1. Building relationships. Millionaires invest time in building genuine relationships, as these connections often lead to opportunities. 2. Leveraging networks. They know how to leverage their network for advice, mentorship, or business partnerships. 3. Giving back. Successful millionaires also give back by helping others, as this often comes back to benefit them in unexpected ways. Resilience is our fourth skill on the list. Becoming a millionaire isn't always a smooth ride. There will be setbacks, challenges, and failures along the way. What sets millionaires apart is their ability to bounce back and keep moving forward. Resilience involves 1. Mindset. Millionaires maintain a positive and growth-oriented mindset, which allows them to view challenges as opportunities for growth. 2. Perseverance. They don't give up easily. Instead, they persist in the face of adversity, learning from their failures and setbacks. 3. Adaptation. Millionaires are quick to adapt to changing circumstances and adjust their strategies as needed. Our final skill, time management, is a crucial component of millionaire success in 2023. Time is a finite resource, and millionaires know how to make the most of it. They prioritize their tasks, focusing on what matters most. Time management includes 1. Setting goals. Millionaires are goal-oriented, which helps them maintain focus and allocate their time efficiently. 2. Prioritization. They prioritize tasks, ensuring that they spend the most time on activities that yield the highest returns. 3. Delegation. Successful millionaires delegate tasks to others when appropriate, freeing up their time for more strategic activities. 4. Continuous learning. They also invest in learning and self-improvement, which helps them work smarter, not harder. In conclusion, these 5 major skills are the building blocks of millionaire success in 2023. To become a millionaire, it's essential to master financial literacy, embrace entrepreneurship, hone your networking skills, develop resilience, and become a time management maestro. Remember, achieving millionaire status takes dedication, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But it's absolutely possible if you're willing to put in the work. So, start developing these skills today, and who knows, you might be the next success story we feature on our channel. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What skill resonates with you the most, and how do you plan to develop it? Share your journey with us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video as we continue our exploration of success, wealth, and personal development in the ever-evolving landscape of 2023. Stay motivated, stay focused, and remember that your millionaire journey begins with these 5 essential skills.